The Sound of a Woman by Oscar Lymous. Read by Kenneth Magruder Sr. Throughout my life, my senses have filled my bank of memories. The smell of a rose, jasmine, mom's home cooking, and the smell of a woman. I've seen an eagle soar, mountains of white clouds in a blue sky. I've seen flowers bloom, sunrises and golden sunsets, and millions of stars sparkling and glitter as they dance around the moon. Yes, I felt raindrops beating softly on my face as a winter breeze tickled my nose. I've been burned by the heat of the sun and by a woman's tender touch. I've tasted honey and the wines that come from the fruit of the vine, but never have I tasted a nectar as sweet as the one that flows from a woman's lip. Of all my senses, the things I've seen, smelled, tasted, and touched, the one thing that is unmatched is the thing I heard. Not the sounds of robins sing, not even the sound of raindrops on a tin roof. My memory bank is running over with the sound of a woman. That sound she makes when she is a woman. Not the one she makes when she's faking. The one she makes when her soul, heart, and very being are aching. Her lips mumble a speechless sound, but her body screams, "You're a lucky man." After reading this, my wife promised to let me make her make that sound. And somewhere between my hasty shower and my dash to our bedroom, I arrived in time to hear her snoring all night long. And I realized that I was a lucky man to have her by my side.